fake. It's already open. Have you started?
Leave that there for now. Okay, so this is what we got. So you can see Zerora. Okay, so take this out now. So let's go. All right. So first got a discard pile. Well, this is kind of massive though. Oh wow, it shows you the labels on this. That's pretty cool. That is it. Here. Go. You can zoom in. You can go around that. Pretty cool. And it gives you the instructions as well. Okay, let's get to the next bit. I'm gonna fold this all up now. Okay, that's where it's going. So we got stickers. I don't know, here, there. Okay, must be points. And then we got this for TCG. Okay, now then, on to the best part. Okay, so get this going. Alright, so so do we start? Yeah, we start here. Okay, so we start with a lightning, another 1, 2, 3. We've got Looker, Switch trainer card, Magneton, 5th energy, Doduo, Raticate, 7th Rattata, Lily, Energy, Fisherman, Meowth, Hull, Dodrio, Energy, Cynthia, Magnemite, Energy, Stunfisk, Hull, Energy, Magnezone. It's got good moves actually. Energy, Rattata, Switch, Energy, Doduo. First Zerora. Oh, it's not a holo though. Energy, Looker, Magneton, Energy, Lily, Meowth, Magneton, Looker, Energy, Raticate, Hull, Energy, Magnemite, Fisherman, Energy, Cynthia, Rattata, Stunfisk, Looker, Energy, Magnezone, Magnemite, Energy, Hull, Doduo, Energy, and Doduo. Oh wait, that was a Dodrio. Okay, so now we've got the coin. Yep. And we've got the holographic Zerora. And I'm afraid I can't show this because I want it. Okay, bye bye.